friends, come and see. Family, travel, life so free. Laugh, love, make memories. Welcome to It's Jessim.
Hello mga kabrusis, welcome back to our channel, Jessim. It's a new day, new blessing. So for today's video, pupunta tayo sa Mount Fuji. Oh my gosh, ito na. Ito sa mga nasa bucket list namin ng aking asawa. I hope makita namin. I think we have a good chance kasi ang ganda ng weather. So nandito ka. So nag-order ako ng sa Klook na Mount Fuji tour. Dito yung yung meeting place. So yung asawa ko ay bumibili ng breakfast ng mga bata. Sila. Sisi, pite anak. Ayan. So yeah. Ganda ng weather. Oh. Thank you Lord. So wala pa rin yung asawa ko. Naninervous ako konti. Alam niyo pag iniiwan kayo ng parents niyo sa counter pag nag-grocery. Pinapifeel ko ngayon. Nasaan na ba yun? Hello, where are you? Where are you? Nandito na siya, mga kabrosis.
Oh, everyone please fasten the seatbelt, please, okay? Everyone please fasten the seatbelt first.
Seatbelt. Okay. Seatbelt daw. So, nasakay na kami ng bus at papunta kami sa Palasan yung Mount Fuji. Hindi lang isa yung place na pupunta namin, I think mga apat kung saan pwedeng picture ng mga ganda kasama Mount Fuji. So tingnan lang natin. I'm so excited.
Oh, you take a picture of the bus number later when you get on the bus, okay? Take a picture of the bus because there's lots of same bus at the parking lot, okay? In case you get in the wrong bus and taken to Mars or wherever, okay? Yeah, so just don't mistake the bus, and you can leave your things here on the bus, but always bring your cell phone, your wallet with you all the time, okay? Don't put it here on the bus. Yeah, and our seat gonna be like this till the end. Yeah, it's arranged by your group number. So just remember your group number. That will be good. Okay. Yeah, and number two is about eating on the bus. So normally we don't allow to eat on the bus, but a little bit of snack is fine, some bread is fine. Just one thing, just keep the bus clean, okay? Don't leave the trash on the floor. Keep the bus clean, that will be good. And take care of your trash after we finish today's tour. Ohio, which one is right?
Ohio kasama.
Ohio is right. Yeah, okay, so what is the difference? Konnichiwa is hello, okay? So what I would say is good morning, which is right now, good morning. So it's a little bit different. So good morning right now is Ohio. So konnichiwa is hello, you can use it like anytime. Yeah, Ohio, this is why we say good morning. Okay, so let's try it together, okay? Ohio. Okay, good morning. Alright, so number two is how to say thank you in Japanese. That's a very easy one. Okay, that one everybody knows that. Yeah, you're being so fly. I know that. Yeah, it's arigato. Yeah, so when you say this word, you gotta make sure your pronunciation is right. Especially the second character is arigato. Okay, arigato. I don't want to hear anyone say arigato.
Arigato.
It's not ari. Okay, so there's no R in Japanese because it's very hard for Japanese to pronounce the R, the sound. Yeah, so it's arigato, okay? You gotta make sure yourself is right. Arigato. Yeah, so arigato. Yeah, so also you probably heard, okay, arigato gozaimasu. So if you add gozaimasu at every end of the sentence, it means show respect. So maybe when you're talking to a professor or your parents, you're gonna show respect, you can say arigato gozaimasu, like they say Ohio gozaimasu. When you're talking to a friend, you can just say arigato. Okay, so let's just practice one more time. Okay, arigato. Okay, very good. Okay, and the third one is how to say excuse me, I'm sorry in Japanese.
Sumimasen.
Okay, that's right. No other answer. There's only one right answer. It's sumimasen. Okay, so also when you say this word, you gotta make yourself something like native Japanese too. How do native Japanese say this word? So when I say, you already know. It's sumimasen. Yeah, so you're gonna make it long and bow a little bit at the center. You know Japanese like bowing, right? Because you keep bowing all the time. Yeah, so yeah, that's how they be implied. Okay, so for example, you get lost this morning in Shinjuku Station or wherever. So you want to ask someone for help, and the first word you say to them gonna be "sumimasen." Okay, the first word come out from your mouth is "sumimasen." Okay, "sumimasen" first, and I say, "Oh, I want to go here," or "I want to find the washroom." Well, by the way, washroom in Japanese is the same pronunciation in English, which is toilet. The toilet, yeah, the same, yeah. So after all of that, you just don't forget to say thank you, arigato, all the time. Okay, so okay, let's try one more time. Okay, "sumimasen."
Sumimasen.
Okay, sumimasen. Okay, very good. Okay, and I got one last word. One last word to teach you is how to say yummy, delicious in Japanese.
Oishi. Oishi.
Okay, I already know we have some foodies on the bus. I already know. Yeah, that's right. It's oishi. Oishi. Yeah, oishi. Have you ever heard this word
Oishi.
before? If you watch anime or something. Yeah, there's. Oh yeah, oishi. That's how you say it. Delicious. And then, do you like Japanese food, by the way? Yes, you like. I bet all of you guys, most of you guys like Japanese food. Okay, so for example, you go to a Japanese restaurant or something, you want to show you like this food, you can just say oishi to the staff. They'll make them so happy.
So mga kabrosis, nandito na kami sa aming first destination. Mamaya ko papakita yung Mount Fuji. Kumakain pa kami ng breakfast. Yeah. At thank you Lord. Thanks God. Look at the weather. Kitang-kita ang Mount Fuji. You will see it also at the moment. So mga kabrosis, ito na ang Mount Fuji. So, yan, nakita namin bakit pa-picture muna kami at kailangan namin magmadali kasi in 5 minutes kailangan ulit namin sumakay sa bus for the next destination. Yan, kami, oh, yan, pa-picture na kami at makikita nyo naman yung behind the scenes kanina kasi nag-video kami. Okay, Mount Fuji!
Ready? Stacy. Cheers. Cheers.
Okay, cheers!
Cheers.
Okay, cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers! Okay, tapos sa'yo muna. Cheers! Cheers! So we were at our last destination and that was Lawson. But unfortunately, sobrang dami ng tao at ang daming mga sasakyan na nagpa-parking kaya doon na lang kami sa tabi nagpa-picture. Sa tabi ng Lawson na lang kami nagpa-picture kasi imposible talaga may dalawang bata kasi tatakbo-takbo dito, tatakbo doon kaya para may iwasan na lang yung disgrasya. Pero nagpa-photo pa rin kami sa sa tabi ng Lawson nga lang with Mount Fuji. Right?
Right, I eat shapaw.
You eat siopaw?
Yeah.
So, we are now going to the restaurant. Magla-lunch kami. Ang kinuha namin ng aking asawa ay yung Wagyu beef at para kay Stacy ay chicken. Tingnan natin. So, mga kabrosis, ito ang aming lunch. Yung Wagyu namin, naluluto na. Unti-unti. Ito si Boy. Kumakain na rin. Yan. Stacy. Alright. Buon appetito! Ay!
are going to Pagoda.
Punta kami sa pagoda. Tapos, ano yun, 360 steps. Tapos ganito ang,
Ang style.
ang aking situation. Let's go. Let's get that calories.
Mount Fuji's over there. Bili tayo mamaya ng strawberry. Stacy, das ist ein bisschen zu hoch. Schaffst du es, Stacy?
Ayoko na, pagod na ako.
The entrance.
Okay.
Hello, Mount Fuji.
Ang ganda, no?
Ang ganda.
Grabe.
So nice. Wir können auch hier Foto machen.
Si Wate. So, nandito na kami sa pagoda. Mga kabrusis. So, ang ganda ng view dito. Pinili tayo ni Lord ng magandang weather. Ito na. Sa Mount Fuji. Saka yung pagoda. Paganda dito mga kabrusis. At kung inyong nanaisin, makapunta rin dito. Makapunta din kayo dito. At God's perfect timing. Kamusta ang pagoda with yung ano? Pagoda with yung...
Amazing. Ang ganda-ganda. Yung pumunta kami ng Kyoto, yung nakita natin yung isang shrine, no? Parang ang ganda-ganda na yun. Pero this, with Mount Fuji, wow. Oh my gosh.
Ang ganda talaga
Parang
dito.
siyang painting. Parang siyang painting.
So, mga kabrusis, kung God's perfect timing, makapunta din kayo dito.
Oh, yeah.
Ganda na creation ni Lord.
Yeah.
Pagtaas ng pagoda. Kaya pala pagoda kasi nakakapagod. So, nandito namin sa last place. Wait, last stop. We are at the river. Is it fish out? Fish? Kleine Fische. Malit na fish. Ito, kala mo kung sino. Kala mo kaya mag-isa. So ito daw si Lolo, ay sikat dito, gumagawa ng matcha peach na drink. So yun daw yung sikat dito, so titikman natin. Ayan na yung free taste. Basta.
Alam mo yung sa turka, yung mga binibenta nila?
Oh.
Ganun.
Anong lasa pero?
Peach na may green tea.
So, let's try this. Ah, sarap. Very refreshing. Matcha peach. So, titingnan yung isang sikat din dito, yung mochi daw nila.
Sarap.
Huh? Can I also touch?
Wala kaya.
Uy, masarap nga.
CJ.
Masarap.
Kumagat na pala siya sa atin niya.
Sarap? Masarap? Ayaw, akin na lang yan. More for me.
Yung pure na matcha.
Ang sarap yun, guys. Matcha ba to? Parang di ko naman malasan yung matcha.
Jace? Hello.
Parang di ko naman malasan yung matcha dito. I love it. So guys, pauwi na kami. Ito na yung last stop namin. And now, pauwi na kami. Ito yung view ng Ito yung view ng... Hindi ko lang kung kita nyo. Yun o. Doon. Yun o. Yun yung Hindi na masyado kasi lakas ng sun. Hindi na masyadong kita. Ayun o. Yun yung Mount Fuji. Ayan. That's it guys. Babalik na kami sa bus. Ayan, babalik na kami sa Tokyo. So, nandito na kami ulit sa hotel mga kaprosis. At ito ang aming dinner sa convenience store. Yan. Convenience store. Yan na. Tapos na. Yeah, that's our food. Tapos ang painit. So yeah. Kain na.
New day, new blessings come and see.